Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we are going to talk about the default directory variable. That variable is set locally for each buffer, and for a buffer that is attached to a file, this is the directory part of the file. So let's evaluate buffer file name for that buffer, and we see that the path of the files attached to that buffer, home Tony minibuffer notes.l, and if we evaluate default directory in that buffer, we get home /Tony /minibuffer. Why do we talk about that variable? Because in some function it is used to expand relative path against that value. So here we copy directory minibuffer foo into the relative bar directory, but this is relative to default directory, which is home Tony minibuffer in our case. So now let's open a terminal, do a tree. So we have a directory bar, a directory foo with some files. We evaluate, we run that command to copy the directory foo into bar, and we see that this works because of the value of default directory. So foo has been copied into bar. Let's remove the files and directories in the bar directory, and now what we are going to do is to locally set the variable default directory, for instance, to the temporary directory, and we are going to copy again the directory foo into the directory dot bar, so the relative directory, but the default directory now is temporary. As the bar directory doesn't exist, we need to pass through as a fourth argument of copy directory to create it when we do the copy. And now let's evaluate that things with default directory, which is temporary. And if we go here, we haven't copied in that in bar in the mini buffer, but we have done that in the temporary directory. That's it for today. I hope this is useful.